Is this school made out of paper? I don't like math. Oh my god, it's a dumb trick. Math question. Oh my god. This is ridiculous. Wait, what the? Oh no, yes, I'm safe. You feel your milk. Give me your body. Wait, what? Give me your body. It's much yummier than Oreo. So just be. Hey, do you know what? Wait, what? Oh, that's a library. With books. Your silence. Get your leg here. You must. Mamma mia. You feel your. I don't eat books. Get your. Oh no, I'm trapped. Oh, I need to out. I'm going to get this. No room for jealousy. I've got no time to play hide and seek. Eventually, you'll surely find me. Have to be brave or better. Keep behaving. I'm safe. Princess Alice, you get here. You're gonna fly. I can fly. Wow, I'm so good at kung fu. Wow. Get me fly. Oh no! She was a fairy. Like what? Get over here, you little girl. Get your ass off of the body. Bye bye. Oliver, what are you doing, girl?